Okay po. Yusek, ano naman po yung paghahanda ng MMDA para sa malawakang Tigil Pasada tomorrow po?
MMDA is close coordinating with the security forces para sa kung ano man ang mga logistics na kanilang kailangan para ma-alleviate ang impact nitong Tigil Pasada. So, in particular, we are readying our buses and other transport vehicles para makapagbigay ng libreng sakay. And also, we have, hindi lang naman tayo naghahanda eh. Isa lang ito sa mga employment na ng ating pinaghahandaan. For quite a while now, MMDA is focusing on community resilience. So, tinitingnan natin na pag halimbawa may krisis sa fuel, krisis sa kuryente, may deterioration ng peace and order, we have been studying all those scenario and have crafted already yung mga plans regarding sa ating response. So, it's just a matter of employment now and mobilizing now, performing basically the fourth P in the 4 Ps of the preparation process of the crisis management process. So, nasa performance na kasi we have already tried to, sa performance, sa template kasi namin ng crisis management, merong 4 na P. Predict, prevent, prepare, perform. So, nakapag-prepare na tayo for so long, nagre-rehearse na tayo, and now it's just performance. So, it's just a matter of springing into action and putting into action the plans that we have done so far. So, sa ngayon, dito sa crisis natin sa oil and also sa nakaambang transport strike, it's just a matter of employing the appropriate response on community resilience, plus specifically libreng sakay and other alternative mode of transportation.